When life gives you lemons, make lemon curd. It's very easy to make. You just need a double boiler and about 2 to 3 lemons to make a third of a cup. You need a tablespoon of lemon zest and a third of a cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. I guess you could use concentrate, but I don't think that would taste as good. An inch of water at the bottom of a double boiler, and let that simmer. When that simmers, add the top. Well, speaking of life giving you lemons, I forgot to push record, so I'll just tell you what I put in here. I put in 4 large egg yolks, 2/3 cup sugar, and a tablespoon of lemon zest, and a third of a cup of lemon juice, and an 1/8 teaspoon salt. So that's what's in this. Okay, we're gonna whisk this for 10 minutes. And we don't want to cook the egg. If we cook the egg, it's gonna be like a lemon scrambled egg. And who wants that? You'll see it start to thicken up, and then you're gonna add the butter. It's gonna be 6 tablespoons of butter, and just add them a tablespoon at a time. This is unsalted butter. If you use salted butter, then just, I don't know, don't put the salt in. So it should look sort of like hollandaise sauce, but more lemony looking. It will thicken as it cools. You can see the little lemon zest particles in there, but the zest doesn't change the smooth texture. It's buttery and it's lemony and tart, and you can put it on scones or biscuits and store it in the refrigerator with a lid on it, and you can even freeze it if you want to. It tastes like the lemon pie filling, but richer. Add some whipped cream and maybe some berries. You can use it as a filling for cakes and cupcakes and pastries. It'll store in your refrigerator in a sealed container for about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.